Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our fourth math lesson this week. Well done, everyone. So, you have been superstars this week at developing your knowledge at measuring. What have we learned so far? So we compare different lengths. So now we know which object is shorter, longer, the longest, the shortest, or some of them are the same length. Well done. So today we are going to be measuring using standard units. Do you know what could it be? I think yesterday I gave you some clue. Can you remember? Well, your challenge today is going to be practicing your measuring skills using a ruler or measuring tape or maybe a virtual ruler on your computer or phone. Well, let's see. We will measure different items around our house. But before we start, like always, let's warm our brains up and do some subtraction calculations. So yesterday we did addition. Today we are going to do subtraction calculation. So can you tell your grown-up what's happening with a number when we subtract? What will be our answer? Will the number be bigger, the same, or smaller? That's a tricky one. Well done if you got it right. It will be the same or smaller. Can you show your grown-up subtraction sign? A big one? Well done, it's easy. Small one? Excellent. So now, can you write out the number sentences and write the answers too? Good luck! Well done, everyone. Now our brains are warmed up and we are ready to move on with our learning. And as I mentioned before, today we are going to be measuring using standard units. Now, it might sound a little bit confusing because so far we have used different objects to measure and we call them non-standard units. That's right. These are called non-standard units as not everyone uses the same items. I saw some of you use Lego pieces and pasta, crayons. You were really creative. So for example, I was using chocolate and some of you were using Lego pieces. And we all got different answers. That's right. So today we are going to be using these type of objects. Do you know how we call them? Do you remember? This is ruler, well done, and measuring tape. Or some of you might be using a ruler on your computer. I'll show you a little bit later how to use it. So, ruler. There you go. I am going to be using ruler today. And it has standard unit called centimeters. Can you see my centimeters here? Oh, it's a see-through. There you go. Can you see it now? It starts from 0 and goes all the way up. Well done. So, for example, if we are thinking to build a house or a garage, do you think I could measure using sweets or Lego pieces? First, it will take a very long time and the measurement wouldn't be the same. So no, we have to measure using standard units so we all have the same answers. You know what? There is one interesting and fun fact. When we are measuring, we need to remember to start from 0. So, let me show you what I mean. I am going to measure this marker. So, I'll use my ruler, and here is my marker. So, what did I say? Where do we need to start? From 0. That's right. So, let's find the 0 on my ruler. Well done. Here. So, now, very important, we need to make sure that the object that I'm going to measure starts from 0. There you go. And where does my object end? Have a look. What number does it end on? 1 and 4. 14. Well done. So my pen, it's 14 centimeters long. You know what? Instead of saying centimeters every time, we can just say letter C and letter M, and everyone will know it's centimeter. Well done. So where do we start? At the 0. And then we look where is our object ends. That's right. We look at the number where my object ends. And we said it's 14 centimeters. Well done. So now I am going to measure a book. Do you know this book? Well done if you did. So where do I need to start? Well, you tell your grown-up and I am going to show you. There you go. It doesn't look right. Can you spot my good mistake here? That's right. I need to start at a 0. There is my 0. And I started at 0. Now, have a look and tell your grown-up, where does my book end? What number do you say? Where's my finger? Number 1 and 3 is 13. Well done. Great measuring. Now, I am going to measure a Lego piece. So can you tell your grown-up, where do I need to start? Well, then if you said 0, I need to start at a 0. Now, can you tell your grown-up, where does my Lego piece end? How long is my Lego piece? Have a look. 3 centimeters. So we will write our answer 3 cm. Well done. Now, before you go and do your challenge, let me show you how to use the ruler on your computer, tablet, or your phone. Ready? So, if you don't have a ruler or measuring tape at home, don't worry. You will find a link that will lead you to this site. And here you can see an actual ruler with the centimeters on. So, it's exactly the same. We will have to start at the 0 and measure our object. So, I am going to measure this box. Okay, let's put it on. Oh, sorry children, I forgot that we need to start at the 0. And now, can you tell your grown-up, where does my object end? Is it number 10? Oh, I think I'm wrong here. Is it number... Can you tell your grown-up, where does my box end? What number do you see? Number 12. Well done. So my box is 12 centimeters long. So your challenge for today is going to be practicing your measuring skills using a ruler or measuring tape or an online ruler. Okay? And can you measure different items around your house? I would like you to find at least 3 items or more and give a go using your ruler. Can you think which item did you find was the longest? What object was the shortest? Did you find any that were the same length? Oh, now a very special challenge. Can you find something that is 6 centimeters long in length? So something that is 6 centimeters exactly. Well, give a go. Take photos, videos, and share with us. And if you would like to challenge yourself even more, check the link below and try this game online where you will have to find how many centimeters the objects are. Have fun today and I'll see you soon. Bye.